Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we're going to be making white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. Now before we get into this episode, hit the subscribe button over here and smash the like button over here. Now let's get started. So my dad and I are at mise en place, but first, let's preheat our oven. 350. Alright, let that preheat. Oh, well, that's a fire on. Let's dump the 4 ounces of shortening. Let's scrape some of that off. There we go. We have the sugar butters right here. Brown sugar. Probably about 3/1/4. That's probably 3 1/8. Grab the bowl. Turn it on 1. While our cream is mixing, let's crack our eggs.
Well, no, it's not cream. It's not cream. Your shortening is creamy.
Okay, I see some yolk.
Crack it. There you go.
There we go. Make sure there's no shells. Okay, that's good.
Oh, you working them both at the same time, huh? Okay, look at you.
That was vanilla, like 3/4 of a teaspoon.
All right, now let's get the dry ingredients in there.
Alright. So now we're going to cut this off, scrape down our bowl, and then add the dry ingredients.
So why is it important to scrape down the bowl?
Just to make it fully incorporated.
Yes, sir. Get those ingredients fully incorporated. Good job, buddy.
Okay, it's starting to stick a lot. Oh my god, there's a lot of dough. Why is there a lot of dough on this? Thingamabob.
All right, go ahead and put the dry ingredients in there.
Okay. So I
start with the flour.
Okay. So that's 7 ounces of flour. Hold up. Wait a minute, fans. What?
Well, you got a spatula right there.
Okay, there we go. I just had to get it in the bowl.
And then, what else?
Well, we do have a half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
All right, get that in there. So that's a half teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right.
Hey. Get the spatula out of there.
Oh.
Scrape it off.
Okay, that's good. So now let's cut this off and add our white chocolate. Goodbye. Oh. There's one little. Get in there! Get in there! Aww.
Just flick it off there. There you go. All right, and then you're gonna add some of those nuts.
Macadamia.
Yeah, pour some in that bowl.
Okay.
Not some. Oh my God. I said pour some of those nuts in that bowl. Pour about half.
Okay.
Back in the other bowl. Putting that on the blooper. A little bit more. All right, that's good.
All right.
And now pour the nuts in.
I'll use this bowl.
All right. Now let's mix that together.
Okay.
struggling, ain't you?
Goodbye, macadamia nuts.
So we're gonna make our little grid here. We're gonna do 3 by 4. Troy, what is 3 times 4?
Easy, 12.
There you go. So we are going to make a dozen white chocolate macadamia nut cookies.
Wait, 12 is a dozen? I did not know that.
Yep, unless it's a baker's dozen, which is 13. Don't know where that came from.
What?
Yeah, but it's a thing.
What?
It's a thing.
What?
It's a thing.
What?
It's really a thing.
What? What? What?
There you go, 12 macadamia nut cookies. Let me clean up that mess. Pick that up over there. All right, get these in the oven.
R.I.P. to the cookies and the macadamia nuts.
Cut your light on so you can watch it. Take a look at it.
So how many minutes are we supposed to put it on?
Glad you asked that, Troy. We're gonna do 11. Because I like to take the cookies out early, so it's really supposed to be 12. But I like to leave them. The trick is take them out a minute early, so that way they're just done in the middle. Stay chewy that way.
All right, we'll be right back.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Look at this.
That look, oh boy, that looks
Yeah,
delicious.
great job, Troy.
Yay, and thank you, and thanks to Dad and me.
It was primarily you. You did a great job in mixing that.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you sure about that?
I think so.
Are you sure about that?
All right, let these cool for like 5 minutes, and we're good to go. And then we'll play them and do the outro.
All right. So here's our white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. That looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below, share this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.